Renowned for its distinctive and cool factor, the Jeep Renegade is celebrating its 10-year anniversary with an impressive number of almost 2 million units sold worldwide. With a history and an established reputation as a road champion, the Jeep Renegade has consistently captured the hearts of consumers, blending rugged, go-anywhere capability with a touch of urban sophistication. Its success story began in March 2014, conceived as a global model destined to be sold in more than 100 markets around the world. The Jeep Renegade was also the first Jeep to be assembled in Italy in the Melfi factory. Combining exceptional off-road expertise with its compact dimensions and stylish design, the Jeep Renegade is the ideal companion for urban living, short city excursions, as well as adventurous journeys. The available powertrains on Renegade include a 4xe plug-in hybrid, where 4xe stands for enhanced 4x4 performance, driving fun, fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility, an e-hybrid engine that guarantees a versatile and relaxing hybrid driving experience to meet all customers' needs. The 2024 Jeep Renegade will be available with orders to open in Europe soon.